Hi, it's Hannah, and today I'll be showing you how I get the perfect ombre or gradient manicure. I'm partnering with Manicure for this video, so I'll be featuring some of their products that are great for creating this look. Alright, let's get started. First, apply a base coat to your nails. Next, apply a base color. Here I'm using a medium purple. Next, I'll be taking Magic's Second Skin Liquid Latex Peel Off Barrier and applying it around the nail. This product is great because it's the only scented liquid latex on the market, which is patent pending, so instead of that strong fishy scent you usually get, this one has a pleasant rose scent. It also dries quickly, which is really nice, and the application is easy. So now I'll be grabbing some makeup sponges. The ones I use are really basic and you can find them anywhere. I like to make sure that the texture is smooth and not rough like some kitchen sponges. Next, I'm going to take my two colors and apply it to the sponge. I put a decent amount so I make sure there's enough to sponge onto the nail. I also sort of squeeze the sponge so it soaks in good and then begin to sponge onto the nail. When sponging, I go in a small stippling motion, making sure not to press down too hard. When you feel the sponge sticking, reapply the polish or else you may start to transfer some of the sponge onto the nail. I'll repeat these steps 2 or 3 more times until I get the look I want. I also wait about 30 seconds to a minute in between coats. Certain colors will give you a more seamless look, like shades from the same color group or blending into white or black. I like to look at a color wheel and see which colors would blend best. Also, in case your polish dries out on the sponge, you can reuse it by cutting off the tip. Now peel off the liquid latex and clean up any excess with a brush and remover. Finally, apply your top coat and that's it! Make sure to hydrate your nails if they dry out. Here I'm using Magic's Vitali Cuticle Pen, which is a blend of jojoba, olive, and grapeseed oil along with vitamin A and E to keep nails strong and healthy. I love that it's a nail pen with a brush, so it's super easy to take everywhere. You can keep it in your car or purse or at your desk, so you can always keep your cuticles soft and looking great. You can also get a great ombre or gradient with acrylic crafting paint since paint blends quicker and easier. Be sure to check the description for all the products featured in this video. And of course, another great way to get this look is by creating a glitter gradient. Glitter transfers really well with a sponge, so it's super easy to do. So that does it for this tutorial. I hope you enjoyed it. Thanks so much for watching and I'll see you later. Bye!